Okay. All right. Go ahead and arm it. Good. All right. And aim.
Blow his head off.
James. That should be all. Good shooting. Okay. All right. Go ahead and arm it. Good. All right. And aim. That's about right there. Okay. Whenever you're ready. Eyes and ears good.
Good.
Good over there. Range is hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, out of anything here, you know, I've been here 9 years. Everything's fun still. That still blows my mind every time. Go. Range is hot. Here you go. Thank you. Close it on up.
What's that?
Close it on up.
All right.
Okay. Then in the rear, that's your safety. You can flick that forward when you're ready.
Alrighty.
Okay. Range is hot. Too high.
Just over it. Here we go.